operate this ancient marvel.
It's almost poetic. A machine built to track the heavens, lost beneath the sea, waiting for technology to catch up so we could finally understand it.
If there's one lesson here, it's that human ingenuity isn't always a straight line forward. Sometimes knowledge is gained and then forgotten for centuries.
The Antikythera mechanism is a mystery, yes, but also a message. It tells us that the past might still hold inventions beyond our imagination, just waiting to be found. And if a bronze machine from ancient Greece could survive 2,000 years beneath the waves, what other secrets lie hidden, buried in places we've yet to look?